curd making, the raw material required is what? Milk, right? And the microbe used is lab. What is lab? Lactic acid bacteria. And the common example is Lactobacillus acidophilus. And how this curd is made? That means the procedure of curd making. It is add some amount of curd to milk. Okay. And this amount of curd added to milk, it is called as inoculum or starter. Why it is called as inoculum or starter? Because this small amount of curd carry thousands of bacteria, and those bacteria carry out the fermentation process. That is why this amount of curd is called as inoculum or starter. Okay. And then what is the mechanism behind this? The mechanism is what? The fermentation and coagulation. Fermentation and coagulation is the mechanism. So let us see. That is, the lab produces an enzyme called lactase. And this lactase convert the lactose, that is what? The milk sugar. The sugar present in milk, that is the lactose, which is a disaccharide, right? So the lactose, this is a disaccharide, and this lactose is getting converted into monosaccharides like glucose and galactose. Okay. So with the help of lactase, the lactose is getting converted to glucose and galactose. And these glucose and galactose is getting converted to lactic acid with the help of other enzymes. And this lactic acid results the coagulation of milk. What is coagulation? The protein present in the milk, that is the casein. And this casein is getting converted to para-casein. Okay. And when the milk is carrying casein as the protein, the texture of the milk is liquid. It is liquid texture. But when this casein is getting converted to para-casein, the texture of the milk changes. That means it becomes solid clots. Clear? So this is how the coagulation occurs. So the coagulation, it is the conversion of the protein casein into para-casein. So the mechanism is the lab produces an enzyme called lactase. Lactase convert lactose into glucose and galactose, and these finally converted into lactic acid, and the lactic acid results coagulation. What is coagulation? The conversion of casein present in the milk to para-casein. Thus, the liquid texture changes to solid texture, that is the curd. And then all these are the health benefits of curd. That is, it carry more amount of vitamin B12 or cobalamin. What is this cobalamin? What is the importance of this cobalamin? This cobalamin, it is actually called as EMF. What is EMF? Erythrocyte maturation factor. That means the word erythrocyte, that means what? RBC. That is the cobalamin or the vitamin B12, it is involved in RBC production. That is why it is called as erythrocyte maturation factor or EMF. Clear? So that is the importance of cobalamin. And the second one, it kills different kinds of pathogens. Then the third property is anti-cancerous. And the next property is it is not allergic like milk. In some persons the milk may be allergic, but the curd is not allergic. So these are the different health benefits of curd.